Thikũ igĩrĩ thutha wa rũhonge rwa ũrathi wa rĩera kũruta mũkana wa mbura gũthandana kũndũ gũtiganĩte guothe bũrũri-inĩ, mũciĩ mũnene wa Nairobi nĩ ũmwe wamũkĩrĩte mbura ĩno. Gũthandana kwa mbura ĩno kũracũngĩrĩirie mũiyũro wa maĩ makĩria matũũra-inĩ ma Madaraka na gũthararia ũkui na thingo imwe kũmomoka.
Yesterday people could not even access their houses because the whole entire estate was flooded with water. The vehicles, people cannot get into their houses, people cannot even access their vehicles because it was all over.
Janga yenye imetupata, ukuta imeanguka na sisi kama security pia tuko threatened kwa sababu hatuna vile imeanguka hivi mtu yoyote anaweza pita. Hakuna sasa vile unaweza fanya, security imeharibika.
Mbura ĩno yonanĩtie wagi wa mĩbango ya thirikari ya kaunti ya Nairobi ya gũtheria na kũhingũra mĩtaro ya gũte maĩ megĩko.
Hii shida imeletwa na sisi tu wananchi wa Nairobi kwa sababu our drainage systems zimefungwa na uchafu. Takataka ambayo unapata mtu anatoka na uchafu kwa nyumba yake, mwananchi wa Nairobi gunia anamwaga kando ya barabara. Ona thengia wa gĩkundi kĩa Green amegũthukĩrwo wĩra ũcio nĩ Governor Johnson Sakaja.
Sisi tumekuja leo tena kama vile tulikuja last weekend kusaidiana na nyinyi, kushirikiana na nyinyi kusafisha mji wa Nairobi.
Governor Sakaja akoretwo akĩnyitanĩra na gĩkundi gĩkĩ gũtheria mũciĩ wa Nairobi mathaa ma ũtukũ.
Your section will be audited every day. Tao tumefanya saizi wiki ngapi? Ine, si ndio? Leo tumalizane na Tao. Next week tumeingia pali pengine.
Rĩu aikari nĩ morĩtie ũtongoria wa Nairobi gwetha kĩhonia gĩa gũtũũra kuona ũndũ ũyũ wĩcokagĩra hĩndĩ ciothe mbura rĩrĩa yaura.
Not the first one, but this one was a bit heavier than the other ones because the wall has not gone down like this before.
You can see around the wall has been brought down by the heavy rain yesterday, and it is not the first time this one is happening here. We have a problem of the drainage system, especially in the entire estate.
Kameme TV gĩkũhe ũhoro Gĩtaũ wa Wanjikũ.